Assalamualaikum. Welcome to 5th class social. I am your social teacher from United Public School Tandur. So my dear students, in our previous session we was completed our third unit. So today we are going to start our fourth unit from our term book communication. So my dear students, what do you mean by communication? Have you ever observed this word? Have you ever heard about this word? Communication is simply the act of transferring information from one place, person or group to another. So communication is nothing but transferring the information from one place, one person to another person is called communication. Okay, in our daily life we communicate because we are transferring our information, our imaginations, our thoughts to another person, to another place. Okay, this is called communication. Hope you will understand. So let us see in this unit what is. Okay, early humans communicated using gestures and signals. This was a limited way to communicate as gestures did not allow them to express everything they felt. So my dear students, in the previous year, in the early years, what happened? Yes, there is no social media etc. to communicate one place to another place faster. So they, the early humans use what they use? Yes, they use gestures and signals. Gestures means a gesture is a movement of the hand, arms, or other body part that is intended to indicate or emphasize something. So, gestures means the movement of the hand, arms, or other body parts, okay, to indicate our something which we are going to say, okay. Slowly, spoken language evolved, which helped them to communicate better. However, they were still not able to record their thoughts and ideas. So, after this, slowly, the many languages are evolved, okay? And they learn the different languages to communicate from the other people. Writing was invented about 5,000 years ago. So, my dear students, when the writing was invented? Yes, the writing was invented about the 5,000 years ago. Okay, early writing was done on walls, stones, leaves, and leather till paper was invented. So, before the the paper was invented, what they do? Yes, they write on walls, stones, leaves, leather, etc. Okay, till the paper was invented. Okay, after inventing the paper, they started to write on the papers. Okay, in order to keep records, everything was written done by hands. Yes, in the earlier days they don't have machines, printing machines, etc. So what they do? Yes, they write down by their hands. Okay, even books had to be written out again and again so that people could have copies. Yes, so what happened? Yes, in the earlier days they don't have printer etc. So what they do? Yes, they write all books with their hands. The invention of the printing press changed the way we created, preserved, and distributed books. So, after the printing inverted, what happened? Yes, the process of writing is easy and it is very easy to copy a book, a magazine, etc. So, my dear students, this is about how the printing was invented. Okay, and writing was invented about 5,000 years ago. Okay, and in the earlier days, where they write? Yes, they write on the walls, stones, leaves, and leathers. Okay, till the paper was invented. Okay, na? And inshallah, in our next session, we will discuss about the newspaper. Okay, how the newspaper was invented, and So my dear students, today's your homework is you have to write when was writing invented. Okay, so we already discussed this in our today's class. Okay, you have to write the answer of this question, write neatly and submit in the group. Hope you will understand. Thank you.